Hello everyone, so my name is Angel Bantilan. So today we will be discussing a problem. So let's go. So in 30 converts the value 30 to an integer. B float 4.5 assigns the float value 4.5 to B. String converts the integer 30 to a string 30. D bool converts the integer 1 to a boolean value through. A less 1, 2, 3 converts the set 1, 2, 3 to a less. F 2, 4, 4, 5, 6 converts the less 4, 5, 6 to a tuple. G dictionary A1, B2 creates a dictionary with keys A and B and values 1 and 2. H range 5 creates a range object that generates numbers from 0 to 4. I conflicts 1 to create a complex number with real part and imaginary.